The myth is all drawn headaches are migraine. Headaches are of several types and each headache has its own symptoms and causes. Headaches can be very unpleasant and incapacitating, but most of them are transient in nature and they respond very well to painkillers. But if you are suffering from recurrent attacks of headache, then it may point towards a serious illness and that actually needs a medical advice. So today I will tell you one of the most common headache, which is migraine. So there are certain features which are very specific to migraine. Headaches are usually unilateral in nature. They can happen either left or right side of the head. The headache characteristic is throbbing pain in nature. Patient will say that जैसे कोई सर में हथौड़े मार रहा है. They are more common in females and these headaches are associated with nausea, vomiting and sometimes with aura. So what is aura? Aura is a particular type of symptom which could be sensory, it could be motor and it happens before the onset of headache. Aura can itself last for 1 to 60 minutes. However, migraine headache can last for 1 hour to 72 hours. Now there are certain trigger factors which actually precipitates the migraine headache and they are skipping your meals, weather variations, dehydration, smelling a particular smell, emotional disturbances, excessive use of alcohol or caffeine, and sometimes females can develop migraine attacks just before menstruation or during menstruation. The treatment is, most important is a 2 hours of sleep in a dark room that may alleviate symptoms to some extent. Apart from that, taking your painkillers as advised by the doctor on time, and most important is avoiding the precipitating or the trigger factors. So we usually tell people to maintain a headache diary and that is maintained for a month or 2 months time where they can write down the frequency of their headaches, the duration of their headache, precipitating factor and how it got relieved. So this helps us in deciding the preventive therapy. So preventive therapy is indicated in patients who are experiencing 4 or more than 4 bouts in a month's time. Secondly, those people who are not responding well to painkillers and migraine attacks are so severe, they are impacting the quality of life of the patient. So I suggest that seek a medical advice to have a good quality of life. Thank you.